We are from Group 13 of PPA 3173 Sustainable Development. Here we present to you our project video. We are consist from 8 members, which is Siti Aisyah binti Khairi, Muhammad Syahmi Idlam bin Muhammad Syaiful, Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Rosti, Siti Zulaika binti Muhammad Zainuddin, Irdawati Saukin, Muaz bin Muhammad Marzuki, Nur Syazwani binti Hanafi, and Ang Boon Wei. Due to pandemic COVID-19, community decided to take away their food. For sure, plastic straw will be given for free. So, we came out with an idea to do a campaign about straw. We named our campaign as No Straw Please. The campaign No Straw Please is a program erected to spread awareness to the community about the chemical substances used to make plastic straw. This campaign gives awareness and initiative of the ways to reduce the usage of plastic straw. Through this campaign, we can help to save life below water, life on land. We also can help to reduce climate action. We touched on 3 SD goals. SD goals number 13, which is climate action. SD goals number 14, which is life below water. And SD goals number 15, which is life on land.
Now I'm going to talk about the project activities implementations. These are our campaign goals. First, it is to provide awareness to the effects of using plastic straws to the communities. Besides, we hope our campaign can provide alternative suggestions other than using plastic materials to the communities. Then, our campaign goals is to apply the values of love nature and study nature in the communities. Last of the goals is to develop students that's able to be a source of reference or an example to their surroundings community. This is our campaign schedule. On 10th of December, the survey questions before the campaign launch were distributed. On 11th of December, campaign launched. The posters were shared through the social media. On 12th of December, the survey questions after the campaign launch were distributed. The expenditure throughout the campaign is ringgit.
Posters by Team 13. The launch day is from 11 December to 12 December 2020. 3 posters were created to raise awareness about the danger in materials of plastic straws, the effect of mass usage of plastic straws, and an alternative of plastic straws. These are the posters. Team members share the posters throughout social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. This is from Instagram. This is from Facebook and WhatsApp.
And now we will get to campaign effectiveness research report. This campaign has involved 30 people. And now, I will explain about the effectiveness of this campaign. In the pre-campaign research form, a total of 29 people equal to 96.7% of 30 people have stated that they use plastic straw regularly, and 1% equal to 3.3% do not use plastic straw regularly. Meanwhile, an after-campaign research form showed that 27 people equal to 90% of 30 people stated that they do not use often plastic straws, and only 3 people equal to 10% still use plastic straw often. The data obtained shows that the implementation of this campaign succeeded in giving awareness to the target group until there was a sharp decrease in the frequency of use of plastic straw after this campaign. On the pre-campaign research form, There were 24 people equal to 80% of the 30 people admitted that they didn't know what content was in the plastic straws material, and there were 6 people equal to 20% who knew only a little what the content that available in the plastic straw material. No one, even those who really knows, equals 0%. Meanwhile, the research formed after the campaign shows a total of 30 people equal to 100% who knew the content that available in plastic straws materials, and no one that didn't know or know only a little equal to 0%. From the data obtained, it shows that this campaign has successfully conveyed information about the content that available in plastic straws material well, because the data shows a fairly drastic increase in the number of people who knew after the campaign is carried out. This is because in this campaign we have provided accurate and detailed information through the medium of poster advertising. In the pre-campaign research form, a total of 23 people equal to 76.7% of 30 people stated that switching to the use of plastic straws to other alternatives is difficult, and only 7 people equal to 23.3% agreed, while in the post-campaign research form showed a total of 30 people equal to 100% agreed to change the use of plastic straws to the other alternatives, and no one disagrees with 0%. In the pre-campaign study form, a total of 16 people equal to 53.3% of 30 people disagreed about parents have to educate the children not to use plastic straws since childhood. A total of 11 people equal to 36.7% were unsure, and only 3 people equal to 10% agreed. Meanwhile, in the post-campaign research form, it shows that a total of 30 people equal to 100% agree that parents should educate the children not to use plastic straws since childhood, and no one disagrees or unsure it equals 0%. The data obtained showed that this campaign managed to make the respondents aware of the need for early childhood education, environmental care awareness, because all the respondents agreed in this regard after the campaign. This is because there is a previous question, which is a question that found that the main reason for the use of plastic straws is because it has been educated and accustomed since childhood. Overall, the campaign has achieved its objectives. Through the question before and after the campaign, we can see a lot of increased awareness from respondents about the use of plastic straws.
Okay, today I want to talk about the result after the project. What we found is the result from 30 people is beginning to realize the use of plastic straw because has many disadvantages. Based on the survey, make sure they are aware of its disadvantage. The use of bamboo straw has many benefits, especially for animals, and will be less plastic at the beach and forest. The release this should be curbed so that nature is not damaged. Thank you.
Conclusion: most respondents from UMT students, they are more comfortable using plastic straw because they have been used to it since childhood. To make this campaign success, our group made other alternatives such as using straw other than plastic material, give awareness to people how important this campaign, providing parents for need to educate their children from early age, and others. This campaign will be considered successful based on the Google form we create and answer by UMT students for making the aware if they are willing to accept this change to better protect the environment. We hope this campaign success in making UMT students aware of the use of plastic straw that can be harmful to the environment, so that can be reduced with the various alternatives that have been provided. That's all from Group 13, and thank you.